I guess it's morning one, right? Yeah. So these guys, I met them last night. We rode into their camp. Long story short, they're going to Spike Camp, and we're gonna glamp. As you can see, their packs here, they're completely loaded down. Dylan says no, we're gonna glamp the entire time and just hike in.
We're gonna see more elk than they will too. That's how it goes. So we're gonna kill a bigger bull. Like a horse when you're spraying flies around.
It's a little weird.
I don't know if you guys heard that or not, but I didn't. Anyways, we're going down this ridge, and this is a steep, nasty canyon, so if we heard a bugle, we weren't going after it anyway. But we're gonna glass a whole bunch of elk here in just a second, so it's gonna be pretty sweet to get that all on video. Hopefully they're on public down there. They're everywhere, dude, and they're gonna be everywhere on the public too. All right, let's go to the next spot because that's gonna be a little closer. This is the same cow from yesterday. I can get him to bugle. Watch. Come here, elk. These are 7? Yeah, these are 7 on both. 6 little 7s.
This couple hundred head, as you can hear, right up and over the ridge. I mean, they're all through here. 200, 300, 400 yards. I think these guys are gonna split up. We gotta get eyes to see how far they are.
Hey, this is awesome. This is really, really cool.
You wait all year.
I know, all year. And there's just bulls screaming everywhere, dude.
And you don't get this in a lot of places.
No. I've never had it. Actually, I've had it once.
Where you can actually hunt them?
Yeah.
I've seen it in private where you can't hunt.
those bulls from Nick. Look at this one right here. freaking go, dude. I go like this, I'm like, John's like, should I shoot? I'm like, I would. Are you sure? Dude, we're all here. Shoot it. Okay. He shoots and then the big one comes back and John goes, you freaking I wanted that one in the back.
That's a good bull.
That's a stud bull.
That's a good one. That's a good one.
The one he shot's a good bull though.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Yeah, I think he's got a cheater. I was just looking, I'm like, I think
Dude, I was like, which one's he shooting? Look at his hand.
dude, he buried it. He freaking buried it.
Bugled after.
Oh yeah.
Dude, the one, there was one coming down.
I knew which one he was shooting, but I didn't
Yeah,
see
that
it.
big one.
It was
Oh yeah. He's
That
freaking
one's
toast.
giant. And I missed this one.
Actually, John, I was just looking. This is how big his fifths are. The big one.
Big one?
Mhm.
Yeah, he looked like a giant 5.
Yeah,
Uh-huh.
his fists are about that big.
Don't worry, I got,
That's alright.
Dude,
I got
that's a
fantastic
stud
footage.
bull.
Perfect.
Did you?
Oh my god. Literally, you're in the frame, the bull's dying behind you.
And then what screwed it up for us is that bull.
Yeah,
Start
Oh,
kicking
yeah.
like 5 minutes after he's dead. He holds up the shed. He goes like this.
You ready to pack out some meat?
Let's go get to him. Hey, John! Oh my gosh, dude. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, John.
Dude, you pissed down here, man.
Oh yeah, I did.
Hey, nice bull, John.
Yes.
That's what we came here for, huh?
Good job, dude. Good job.
Yes. Give me some, buddy.
Yeah, hi. Freaking hot.
Got her done.
Are you? Are you happy with size?
Not. That's
If
hard
that bull
asking.
didn't come out,
If that bull didn't come out literally like 3 seconds after I hit him in the pump house.
oh yeah.
Wait, where'd
He might-
you
he
where'd
might be
you shoot him at?
320.
Where'd you-
I mean, it's center punch like right here.
All right.
Oh, you
yeah.
frontaled him?
No,
Oh,
like he was quartered,
too.
and I hugged his shoulder blade and I just went.
30 yards?
Yeah, it was freaking clean.
Ready to hike a bull out of here today and come back in tomorrow?
Yep.
Heck yeah.